Hey guys, Mike here with Atlas Rim Repair. Gonna be working on a Mustang Mach-E here that went in for tires in the tire shop. Their machine scraped up the wheel right here on the top part. So here's how we're gonna fix this one. We're gonna get the grinder in here as deep as we can, get this groove out, and we'll sand it up and repaint it. There's a little bit more down here that you might not see on camera, and the damage does go out of frame over here. I'll get all that. I just can't get the camera any closer and still be able to work on this. So let me start grinding on this. While I'm doing that, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I'll get this wheel fixed up. All right, that's as deep as we can get with the grinder. I'm gonna take the sander with a 320 grit sanding disc on it, and we'll get this cleaned up and ready for paint. Looks like we got all the damage. Let's go ahead and scuff this up with the 1500 grit scuff pad. Get this dust wiped off. All right, since we had to sand to the back of the inside of the wheel here where it meets the tire. I've mixed the paint and the clear coat in one gun with my, it's the gun that has the 0.8 nozzle, so that's the finest tip I have. That way I can be as accurate as possible when I'm spraying this, because I'm not going to be able to get in there to wipe out any overspray. So I'm going to try not to get any on the tire. We have a little bit on there, but as little as possible this way.